thanks for joining me, guys. Josiah, Mr. Therapy Kostek here. We're going to look at a great tool here, and you're going to see it is your one-stop solution. Now, if you got an online business, you're trying to build a business, and you're at that first step, you're ready to automate, you're going to need tools, all right? These tools are going to work for you when you're asleep. They're not going to need a bathroom break. They're not going to have to go check on their kids. They're not going to have to go let their puppy dogs out to piddle. All right, they're going to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, except on leap year. That's right, they even work on leap days. They're going to give you what you need so you can actually focus on the important and creative, the entertaining, the parts you like about your business. All right, you don't need to send out 50 emails. We got tools for that. You don't need to respond to everybody in your chat on your messenger. We have tools for that. Okay, you don't need to do presentations all day. We have tools for that. I could show you, and I'm going to do it in just a couple minutes. As you can see, seemingly drag and drop creation. You're going to be able to create your own websites, but I'll tell you what, there's an easier step if you've never done it. Use one of the already pre-made funnels or websites. Absolutely right. You got thousands, literally thousands of different websites broke down by category that you could choose, whether you're in affiliate marketing, maybe you have a dentistry, maybe you babysit, maybe you tend to animals, maybe you have a nightclub. There's lots and lots and lots of different categories. I can't even think of them all, but you can go pick a template, and then your job is simple. You easily grab a link for a YouTube video for your company, and you pop it in there, save it. You go ahead and get the link to your company and find the button. You put your link where the button is to click it, and you save it. You go into the email autoresponder, edit up some emails, and save it to the opt-in, and you save it, okay? And then you have a system starting to be created online, all pre-built, right? Now, that's going to take a lot of weight off you. That's one of the things that's going to make it so much easier when it comes to building a website online. Having 99% of it already done for you. And like I was saying, that email marketing, I mean, I know a lot of, companies out there have about 10,000 leads or 20,000 leads. They'll send out 10,000 emails, 5,000 emails. Well, over here, you're going to be able to set up an autoresponder that doesn't just give you 10,000 leads anymore. It is unlimited, all the way unlimited. Now, I will go ahead and let you know this is one of our older presentations, but this company is always doing updates, always adding more, always stretching the limits to give you everything you need to be successful in your pursuit to build your dream company, all right? And right there from the edge of your bed, isn't that great? You're gonna be able to have a builder that's gonna help you make presentations just like this. And of course, it always helps when you don't have to pay extra to get some of that video, animation, and image software, okay? I mean, I don't know if you ever done, create your own graphics, an amazing software, and plenty of training that actually takes you step by step in making your own unique images and videos. Guys, this is the kind of stuff you should be doing to set yourself apart from your competition. And nowadays, with all the link slingers, it's not that hard to do, right? I know you use Facebook. I know you could easily integrate a chatbot in here. I know you could easily set up pop-up notifications for the browser so people can constantly keep up with new things, whether it's blogs you're adding, email sequences, new shows, new pages. There's lots of different things you can do. You can get pop-up notifications to all the people that are following you, whether it's your team, your followers, or anything else you need, guys. Hey man, design and build your own apps. I know it sounds like something you couldn't even imagine where to start. That's okay. You don't need to. Again, step by step, hand in hand, in a gigantic community online that will join you, talk with you, and walk you through this, right? Automation at its finest. Absolutely, man. Automation, that is the magic. That's why we are at Automation Answer. This is the rule to the game right here, man. This is something you're going to want to set up, and you could go buy a website over here for $100, and you go over here and get your email autoresponder over there. You go over there and get your graphics tools. You can go back here and get your webinar tools. You can go and get them in a whole bunch of different places. All right. Or you can get it in one place. Not to mention, if you go buy a website and have to set all that stuff over here, you're gonna have to pay extra for hosting. Not here, it's all included. You're gonna have to pay extra for your SSL certificate to make sure your site is safe. No viruses, no hackers. Guess what? It's still included here. No extra cost. It's already put together. Nothing else like this exists online, guys. And of course, you're gonna be able to learn and earn with the affiliate program. I mean, again, why just use these tools for your company, for your products and services? Some people are going to come along and say, wow, you got a great website. How much did it cost you? $2,000, $3,000? Nope. I did it myself. Let me send you a link so you can take a look at how easy it really is. All right. So, I mean, we can go and get into the car bonus. Once you got 100 active users, they're going to send you about 500 extra bucks a month just to say, good job. And they want to see you get all the way out there. Again, we can talk about the residual income, but again, I'd rather just talk about how amazing these tools are and how they're going to help you get your business together. We could talk about the earning potential. We got an amazing earnings calculator where you could just kind of speculate on how many people you'd like to bring in your company, how many people you want to help them bring into their company. Gives you a great idea how much you're going to be able to earn monthly, quarterly, as well as annually. A great asset if you're trying to plan ahead for maybe trips or maybe that second honeymoon with the wife, right? And again, it's amazing when you can actually introduce people to this solution and they get so excited about it, they reach out and they tell people about the solution as well. That's how we become successful. That's how we actually build our wealth, not by what we do for ourselves, but what we do for other people. Zig Ziglar said it great. He said, the guaranteed way to get everything you want in your life, everything you want in the world, is to help everybody else get what they want. That's right, guys. You got to help other people achieve their goals, and you absolutely, and just, residually start achieving yours. It's quite amazing what you can accomplish when you actually become part of a team and reach out and start helping other people. And you don't have to go and throw a boulder on your back. You can easily just send them a message right there on Facebook, right? So this stuff is easy, man. This stuff is preset. You can set up one of these tools in an evening, and I can almost guarantee you it's easier to understand than most of today's video games. I don't know how many buttons are one of those controllers, but I can almost guarantee a race car doesn't have that many buttons, right? So look, guys, if you want to check it out, it's a great opportunity, all right? You're going to get back in touch with the person that invited you here. They're going to give you a link, and I bet they even have a link that can give you 7 days free. You're going to have to ask them about that, but I'm sure they will be happy to share that with you if you'd like to find out. So guys, again, thank you for joining me, man. If you got some value out of this, I'd love for you to join us again. We do this night after night. Go ahead and invite a friend to the next one, man. Maybe they'll be interested. They might be the first one that joins you on your journey to creating a brand new life for yourself. So with that, I'm Josiah Kostek, also known as Mr. Therapy, with rules to the game. Please, please, please keep stacking those odds in your favor for success. We'll see you on the next one.